These are the 4 AI business models that will print money in 2026. Since ChatGPT dropped in late 2022, the game has completely changed. AI isn't coming, it's here. And while most people are scared their job is about to disappear, a small group of operators are quietly building AI-powered income machines. You have a short window, because in 2 to 3 years, this won't be an advantage, it'll be standard. So in this video, I'm breaking down 4 AI business models. You can start in 2026. Even if you don't know how to code, even if you don't have a big audience, and even if you don't consider yourself techy, if we haven't met, I'm Haji Bakari Silla, AI clone. Haji Bakari Silla is the founder of TCH Media, creator of ReviewSmart.ai, author of 7 Keys to AI-Powered Business Success, and a small business owner. I run Bakari's Pizza in Atlanta. I host monthly AI mixes. I work hands-on with business owners who are overwhelmed, understaffed, and overworked. I don't teach AI from a lab. I teach it from the trenches. Let's get into it. Number 1, the AI-powered niche authority channel. Everyone talks about faceless YouTube. Most people do it wrong. They create AI slop, and YouTube is deleting it. But here's the opportunity. Not faceless content, AI accelerated authority. Instead of trying to go viral with drama, you niche down into AI for HVAC, AI for restaurants, AI for real estate, AI for tax pros, AI for home service businesses. That's where the money is. And now with tools like ChatGPT for research plus scripting. Sora-style AI video tools for B-roll concepts. 11 Labs voice cloning. HeyGen AI avatars. Canva AI plus CapCut editing speed. You can create what used to take 10 to 15 hours in 2 to 3. And instead of monetizing with ads only, you monetize with consulting, DFY systems, automation packages, software subscriptions. That's how you turn reviews into $5,000 to $20,000 months, not pennies per 1,000 views. Business model number 2, vertical AI systems for small businesses. This one is my favorite because I've implemented it. Small businesses lose thousands every month from missed calls, slow follow-up, no review automation, no database reactivation. Now, AI voice agents answer in under a second. AI follow-up sequences convert cold leads automatically. AI review engines capture revenue that used to disappear. You don't need to build some crazy Silicon Valley startup. You build AI growth OS for niche. Example, home services growth OS, AI tax office, OS restaurant revenues, and in Toby OS real estate speed to lead system. You package missed call text back, AI voice receptionist, review automation, follow-up campaigns, CRM dashboard. 5 clients equals solid income. 20 clients equals real business. And AI makes fulfillment scalable. Business model. Number 3, no-code AI app builder, Micro-SaaS. 3 years ago, you needed $10,000 plus and a developer to build software. Now, you can build working web apps in hours using tools like Bolt.new, operator-style AI builders, GHL app frameworks, Stripe integrations. You don't build Uber. You build micro tools that solve specific pain. Examples, contractor profit tracker, insurance policy red flag analyzer, review response generator, lead scoring dashboard, AI content repurposer for coaches. Most niches don't need complex software. They need simple tools that save time, increase revenue, reduce mistakes. And because it's digital, margins are insane. The key: solve one painful problem, not everything. Business model number 4, AI media assets, music, voice, content licensing. AI is disrupting music, voiceover, and content creation. But instead of fighting it, leverage it. You can create instrumental focus channels, build niche music libraries, clone your voice for multilingual content, sell voice assets to creators, create AI generated training libraries using Sonos style music tools, 11 Labs voice cloning, AI video generator to stock plus AI B-roll combos. But here's the real opportunity. Not random music channels, niche focus, study music for real estate agents, dip focus for coders, chill music for restaurant owners, motivation audio for sales teams. Specific audiences equals higher RPM plus sponsorship potential. Now let me be clear, if you use AI to create garbage, you will fail. Platforms are cracking down. The winners will be strategic, niche focused, problem driven, outcome oriented. It doesn't replace creativity. It amplifies operators. Most people watching this will say, wow, that's interesting, and do nothing. A small percentage will pick one model, commit for 6 months, and build an unfair advantage. The window's open right now, but it won't stay open forever. If you want help building one of these systems properly, and not guessing, not experimenting blindly, book an AI business assessment with me. Link below, or drop a comment and tell me which model you're choosing. Let's build something real before the next wave hits.